ease into it.
Good job.
Yeah, we weren't expecting you to even make it.
The reputation of the company is in your hands.
Yeah. Worst investment.
Teo, are you ready?
This is the last time you're gonna see me alive.
Weight of the world seems to take another turn. I don't believe loving anymore. I don't believe loving anymore.
I went right fucking into the ditch, like off the course so hard. Too hard to fight. I think we need better wheels.
And there he goes.
Yeah, dude.
Teo's fan club. Was it fun?
No! Yes, Taryn, I had a blast. Oh, it's reversing now.
What's it like at the top?
Rocky as fuck. I wanted to die. It gets so rocky and steep right there. It's like insane.
So what'd you do?
I stopped. Push up, my forearms are killing me. Just tried to push up the fucking hill, so I had to throttle it, but there's no weight on this thing, so it's just sliding off the rock. It's all fucking rock up there. All right, let's go home. Fuck this.
You have
My dirty.
some blood on your face.
Blood, sweat, tears.